Here's a U-Butte Rigidage AutoCAD Power User tip. So you can make an ellipse out of approximate arcs. Well, how do you do this? Well, you set the PELLIPSE variable to 1 and it'll draw an ellipse in approximate arcs which can be exploded. I'll give you an example of that. So if we use the ellipse command, you draw an ellipse like this and it looks like that with PELLIPSE variable set to 0. So that's an example there. Now if we change the PELLIPSE variable to 1, you get this situation where it's made up of approximate arcs, which is opposite to what we normally get with an ellipse, which is like this. Now what the advantage of that is you can explode it and you've got all these approximate arcs. Now arcs may be easier to set out, so you could use this on site for some object or feature.